Let me be brutally honest. Most beginners don't lose money because they are bad traders. They lose money because they choose the wrong asset. Asset selection is not strategy. Asset selection is risk management. As a beginner, your only job is survival. Not profits, not screenshots, not flexing on WhatsApp groups. Survival. If your account survives long enough, skill will eventually compound. Let me say something unpopular. Some assets are not beginner friendly. Silver, gold on high leverage, crypto during news. These assets move like professionals are hunting, and the beginners are the liquidity. So in this channel, we don't start with trading mode. We start with survival mode. Survival mode means low volatility, predictable behavior, clean structure, forgiving movement. If an asset doesn't meet these criteria, it doesn't deserve your capital. Euro USD is boring, and boring is beautiful. Why? Deep liquidity, tight spreads, respect technical levels, doesn't spike randomly. This pair teaches discipline, not adrenaline. GBP versus USD. It moves more, so we respect it more. Good for learning volatility control. Bad for emotional traders. If you panic easily, stay away. Asset 3 is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is powerful, but it punishes ego. This is phase 2 material, not day 1. And assets to avoid early. Let me save your money. Avoid early on silver, exotic pairs, meme coins, anything with huge spreads. If you don't understand why price moved, you are gambling. Professionals don't chase markets. They select environments. Your edge as a beginner is not intelligence, it's restraint. In the next video, I'll explain the challenge survival playbook, how to trade a $5,000 challenge without blowing it. If you want to learn properly, subscribe. We don't chase profits here, we build traders.